Hello everyone, this is Mr. Loreline, and in this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to create a works cited page using Google Docs. So if you're in my class, most likely you have used websites as your sources for whatever essay or presentation that you are doing in my class. So in this case, I use the example from the beginning of the year where you are researching an animal. In this case, I have 3 websites right here, 1, 2, 3, where we have information on the hippopotamus. Now, after you have gathered your information from these sources and you have been told, hey, you create a works cited, you may say, what a works cited page is, and I wonder how I create one. Well, this tutorial will show you how that is done. So of course, you'll need your websites. That seems pretty straightforward. Then from there, you will go up here and look for tools. You'll click on tools and then you'll scroll on down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 citations. Once you have reached your destination with citations, you will click on it. And then over to the right, magic will appear. No, essentially, technology will be working correctly and you will see this screen pop up on the right. Now you'll click Add Citation Source because if you're in my class, you will be using MLA. But if you're in any other class and if they are asking for a different type of citation, you can choose that. But of course, we always use MLA in my class. Then you'll click Add Citation Source. Now, if you have any other source type other than book, you will choose on the down arrow and then choose your source. Now, in this case, we will be choosing website for all 3 choices, okay? Because like I said, most likely you will be using websites as your sources in your research for my class. But who knows, maybe you will decide to go to the library and find knowledge from a book. But we have our website here and we'll click on it, and then it makes it fairly easy from here. All you have to do is go back to the left, copy the source, so I Control-C it, and then come back over here and paste it, Control-V, and then click search. Now, it will pull up all the information that I found online. And from here, you just click continue. And then you look if there's any other places where you need to enter in information that they may have missed. Now, for today's quick tutorial, I'm just going to click Add Citation Source. And then it will pop up like this. Then you will do the same for your other sources. So I'm going here to the left. I'm going to click and copy that source, add citation source. Again, find website, paste it in that nice little box. Click search, click continue, click add citation source. And now I'm going to do the same for my third. Now remember, like I stated earlier, there are going to be some times where there is going to be missing information that Google was unable to find. If that does occur, like this, okay, you can go back to the website and find that information. But if you go to the website and they don't provide that information, then that is fine. That is not your fault, okay? You're not responsible for something that the website does not have, okay? But again, for today's tutorial, to make sure it's quick and to the point, I'm just going to click Add Citation Source for now. When you have finished all of that, okay, what you will do is your works cited goes on a separate page by itself. And so you will go down to a new page have there, and then easy peasy, you just click insert works cited, which is right here in the bottom right hand corner. So you click it, and it will appear as so. It is in the correct format, and now you are done. As long as you don't have any other sources, you should be good, and then you can start writing your essay or practicing your presentation if this is for a presentation, whatever it may be for. I hope this video helps you out. Otherwise, have a great day.